Belt alignment switches are safety devices used to detect belt misalignment in conveyor systems. They enable early intervention to prevent equipment damage, improve workplace safety, and reduce downtime. When the conveyor belt shifts out of alignment, it pushes the switch arm, triggering the internal mechanism to send a signal that can stop the motor or alert the control system. Once the belt returns to its proper position, the switch automatically resets and the system continues operating normally. Key features: wide operating temperature, IP68 protection class, certified production, available in BMC composite or aluminum housing, designed for harsh industrial environments. Areas of application are as follows: mining operations, cement plants, ports and shipyards, thermal power station, fertilizer and agriculture, iron and steel industry.